Heading into Publix, y'all. See what the food shortage is doing to Publix on this day. Let's just see. Let's just see what's happening at Publix today. Wow. Publix got it going on. Everything is stocked. Prices are high. Ooh, $2.99 for Progresso. I know it's $1.57 at Walmart. That's a big difference. On the other side of the aisle, though, the juices are a little skimpy. A little skimpy, y'all. Prices are high, and it's a little skimpy. A little skimpy, y'all. Slim pickings for the capris, if that's what you like. And look at this, it's $10.90, $10.19. Yes. I'm sorry too. Oh, I'm sorry. You might find what you want, but the prices are a little high. Ooh, V8. V8 is struggling, y'all. V8. And with the two that are left is, what, $2.36? I'm on the cultural side of Publix right now, and those shelves are pretty skimpy as well. Missing items. Now this is interesting. These are Mott's apple juices at $3.55. Normally it's 2 for $3. Yeah. Okay, now I'm in the dairy section. There's a couple of spots that are pretty bare, but for the most part, whatever you want is here. And if it's not exactly what you want, you can always substitute with something. Again, the prices are higher than they normally are. Okay, so paper towels, toilet tissue aisle, a couple of blank spots up in here in Publix, but again, may not be exactly what you want, but you do have choices. You do have choices. It's up to you. You can either go without or you can substitute. Ah, choices, choices, choices. Few blank spots, but still choices. I know the deli is looking good. Everything is fully packed and ready to go over here. Heading into Publix. Oops, sorry. A lot of places today. Heading into Kroger right here. What's happening over here? Like I reminded everybody, if you go early, things look better. Okay, I'm on Kroger's paper towels and toilet tissue aisle, and there's a few gaps here, but again, if you can substitute, find it in your heart to substitute, you might be able to do that. I don't know what's missing here, but it's a big gap. Trash bags, that's another thing you have to remember to get plenty of for those disastrous times that we might be entering upon. Brawny towels, which is usually my favorite, but $8.49. That's $6.49 is what it usually is. So that's like a $2 difference. I might have to definitely substitute. Use your puffs and your facial tissues. The whole shelf. What's that? $5.79. Called facial tissue. But they do have some on the bottom shelf. Hey, I didn't do too bad at Kroger's, y'all. You got to remember your coupons, and you got to remember to download your apps for the stores, because they are still providing savings on the purchases that you make. I'm talking about anything from 50 cents up. That makes a big difference to me when you're buying, especially more than one item. Wow, we are now getting ready to head home. And we're getting ready to incorporate all that I've gotten today into what I've already got at home. For the week, my salads, my produce all cut up and sliced up so I can just begin to prepare meals. I like everything to be ready when I'm ready, so I can go through every day smooth and easy. And then we're going to start preparing for a disaster planning kit. We talked about that last night as a group on a Zoom meeting. And we do indeed need a disaster planning kit. And it needs to be put together ASAP. I checked out one or two of them already. One was on Homeland Security. The other one was from, believe it or not, Kroger. And those lists are extensive. So in order for us to be even in the ballpark of preparedness for disasters, we need to step on it, guys. Talk to you later.